This is Ashbridge hotel where we're staying at. This is the main entrance niya. At they have their own restaurant and pub over there. And this is the exit na siya. May signage sila na malaki, so you can see it right away if you're checking in here.
What? Okay, man, let's go.
Good afternoon, mate. These sounds in here, you like, mate? Hey, mate. How are you, mate? Today is our third day here at Dublin. So, yesterday hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi walang ganap. I just stayed in the room. So, now we're going out. I guess 3 PM na ngayon. Ngayon lang kami lalabas and try to find something to eat for brunch. We didn't have breakfast, so brunch na agad ito. So, yeah. To order here. It's just a small Asian restaurant though. It's called Sanok. It's the table here. You know, wall painting. We have beer, Chang beer, Thailand beer. Wala kasi lang ng coffee dito. So we have their special Sanok fried rice. It's with broccoli, parang cashew siya, and beef, some prawns, I guess. My husband got, what did you got?
Singapore
Noodles. Yan, kain tayo guys. We are entering, this is the other entrance of Grafton, darling. Yeah, the other entrance of Grafton Street. So, you can find any brands that you could imagine in here for you to shop. We have vans in here. You can find start from souvenirs to jewelries, cosmetics, almost all fashion and sports brands are in here. This is the busiest street, especially on weekends. Not just for shopping, but you can also enjoy walking here too for sightseeing.
I don't belong here, but I'm here.
This is Henry Street, another shopping street. Oh, everyone is looking for Lush. May Lush, ano dito? Lush store. Yung mga organic na mga sabon at shampoo. Asian food court. Yeah, let's check. Oh. Combination siya ng mga ano, iba-ibang like Chinese, Malaysian, Bangkok, Philippines din meron. So we're here at the only Asian store, I guess, here in Dublin. Mango slices in here. They don't have much. Like, meron silang ganito. Soy sauce. Pero the rest, wala silang canton or something. Meron silang tinapa. Found another store, Super Asia store. So we're gonna check it out. You name it, all the ramen, spicy noodles is in here. May chippy sila dito. Buibawang, Calorks, V-cut. All the snacks in here. We're now here at Starbucks, guys. Stop over to have some coffee. And just gonna show you pala yung ano ko, guys. They call this paper kasi autumn na siya. So, ito yung ginawa ko. So, that's the office ng Facebook, guys. I was about to take picture there, pero maraming tao. Pag gabi, maganda to siya, guys. But during daytime, it's just like that. It has lights during night. So, this is the area. Itong area na to, papunta doon, yung mga business area na siya, yung malalaking offices ng Google, Facebook, and so on. Let's go. We're now heading back to our hotel, guys. But we're gonna stop by muna sa store. We're gonna buy some water and snacks siguro. So we're back here in our hotel, guys. Time check. It is now. And focus. So, outside view namin. Pa-sunset na siya, pero hindi pa siya madilim, guys. So, yan. When the time it's 7 na. Walking around the downtown, we went to Grafton Street again and the Henry Street. So I'm just gonna show you some items na nabili ko from there. Actually, ito yung mga nabili namin from random shops. First, at the body shop. So, I was looking for a cleansing oil, which is, I'm glad that they have, chamomile silky cleansing oil. Malamig na siya these days. So, much better to have oil for cleansing. This one is 17 euro siya. Also got this from Body Shop. Hand cream siya na tag 6 euro. Yung scent niya is strawberry. Last New Year, I got a hand cream Body Shop also from my mom-in-law. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya at na gusto ko yung amo niya. So, I got one again. This is best for traveling. Ito lang siya eh. 30 ml lang siya. We went to visit random Asian store, which is, I was expecting more items from Philippines, pero wala silang masyadong products. Pero, I saw ramen ramyeon siya. So, dalawa yung binili namin. Kimchi. Green tea mochi, yeah. And then, we stopped by again sa parang Sparta tawag nun.
And we buy some plain water and coconut water. Kasi dito sa room namin, wala siyang free water, guys. We need to buy our own.
Nuts for my husband. Doritos na dalawang flavor na siya. Oreo biscuit. May chika pala ako sa iyo, guys. Yung first day namin, pagdating namin nito, we had a stroll with my husband. Medyo malayo siya sa downtown. Super surprised kasi may nagsasnatch pala dito, guys, sa Dublin. Akala ko sa Asia lang. So, dito rin para sa mga Europe meron. Tsaka social yung snatcher nila dito kasi naka-bike. Naka-mountain bike sila. Ang dalawang babaeng nasa likod namin. I guess, hindi ko alam, turista din siguro yun sila. So, they have their phone outside. So, I think they're taking picture or nag-selfie sila around. And then, biglang, nag-stop over kasi yun eh. So, yun. So, hinablot ng lalaki, naka-bike, na sobrang lakas. Sobrang bilis na nagbike ng lalaki. Tapos hinabol talaga ng girl. Hinabol niya talaga. Tapos nagsisigaw siya. We even thought that it was just her friend na nagbibiruan lang. Pero we were surprised kasi nagsisigaw yung girl na ano, "Stole my phone." Yung ganun-ganun siya. So, parang, I guess, for me, hindi na niya yun mahahabol o makukuha uli kasi sobrang bilis ng patakbo ng lalaki. Nag-snatch siya ng mountain bike. At saka lumingon-lingon ako. I did not see any CCTV in that street, tsaka wala din police station. You better be careful if you're traveling. Kahit saan pala talaga may nagsasnatch, guys. I will end this up now, guys. So, I will end this up.
I will end this up with the guys.
And our full Filipina Youtuber, guys.
Booyah! And today's vlog has ended, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for strolling with me. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Next stroll will be, I guess, tomorrow, the next day. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and take care. Bye.
Hit you with that